So not many people know this, but you can use the technology for fighting cancer, and I'll talk about, a little bit about that later on. And also, you can use it for developing new crops, and it's not a GMO crop type of variety. It's basically leveraging whatever exists in the soil and the environment to make crops to be a little bit more, to be more nutritious, to be more drought tolerant, for example, and high yielding. Those are the three main factors we're looking at using what we call plant breeding and genetic plant breeding techniques to basically develop new crops. You can also use it for monitoring groundwater resources. You can use it for industry as well. Of course, you can use it for energy, which a lot of people know about nuclear science and technology for energy, and a host of other things, research into different types of things. So the idea was basically, we awarded that prize for leveraging nuclear science and technology to promote peace and development across the world. I primarily worked in Africa, so for about 15 years. And before I left, for the last 2.5 years of my tenure, I was actually appointed the regional regional program manager for Africa. So I think you mentioned earlier on about working with African countries. Back then, it was about 41 African countries to develop a 5-year strategy for them on how they can use mainly two areas we focused on to create food security and also looking at fighting cancer, ensuring also that they had the safe regulatory infrastructure within their countries to fight, to address food security and fight cancer.